Ketchup. A classic condiment that's a must-have for fries, burgers, and so much more. But have you ever wondered what goes into making that perfect bottle of ketchup? Let's break down the process, from fresh tomatoes to the finished product. It all starts with tomatoes, usually grown in sunny climates for the richest flavor. Once harvested, they're carefully sorted to make sure only the ripest, brightest tomatoes are selected for processing. Next up, the tomatoes are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt and then peeled. Afterward, they're chopped up and heated to soften, creating the perfect texture and base for our ketchup. Once softened, the tomatoes are cooked down to concentrate their flavor. Now, here's where the signature taste comes in. A blend of spices and ingredients is added, usually vinegar, sugar, salt, and a few secret spices for that sweet and tangy kick we all love. Each brand has its own special recipe, but the essentials are always the same, balancing sweetness with a hint of acidity. Now that the flavors are just right, the mixture is pureed to create that smooth, thick texture. It's then filtered to remove any seeds or skin, ensuring a perfectly silky finish. Quality checks are crucial. Experts test the ketchup for taste, thickness, and color to make sure every batch is just right. Once approved, it's ready for bottling. The bottles are sealed, labeled, and packed up, ready to head out to stores. From the farm to your fridge, each bottle of ketchup has gone through careful processing to deliver that perfect flavor every time. And that's how ketchup is made, a simple condiment with a complex process, bringing bold flavor to your favorite foods. Thanks for watching.